friends, for our writing center today, we are going to label a plant. So you will need your label a plant sheet like this, your scissors, and glue stick. Let's look at the words together. We have soil, stem, roots, leaves, flower. So you're going to use your scissors and cut around the dotted line, and then you're going to glue the words in the correct places to label a plant. So let's look at these words together again. Soil, stem, roots, leaves, flower. So you're going to cut out and glue them in the correct places. So look up at our boxes, friends. We have a box, and then the arrow is pointing to where the picture is, where you're going to label, okay? So you're going to do your very best. When you are all done, you are going to glue your label a plant into your plant book. All right, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.